Alright, so we opened our pool. Today we're going to install the handrail and ladder at the other end. We'll start with the handrail. First thing you want to do is clear out any debris that might be in the holes there. You see our little pile. Also you want to loosen up the bolts there a little bit, make sure you have enough space. All you do is kind of drop it in, line up both holes. There we go. So we'll just hand tighten these as much as we can. And we'll take our socket wrench. I've got a 1/2 inch on here. Okay, the last thing you want to do is just put the caps on. Just slide them down. That's really all there is to it. Okay, so we're doing the ladder the same way. I've cleared out the holes already of all the debris. I'm just going to drop it in. Make sure it's seated all the way down. Hand tighten.